Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Uh, it's a little break because we have a big disaster in our country. I'm so unhappy, but I need to turn back to my videos because my mental health. Uh, I'm so unhappy, miserable, unhope. I don't know. So complicated emotions. I couldn't explain. I'm not on the earthquake zone, but I feel deeply so sorry about the people, about my country's sweet people. I'm so unhappy. Thanks for your kind messages. A lot of times I'm so happy to read them. You curious about me, but I'm not so good. But if I don't turn back now, I'm afraid about that. I not turn to these videos after that, so I need to make these videos again. Thanks for your all supports, all the world. Uh, thanks a lot. I'm so appreciate that. Thank you very much. For this pattern, I use size 3 yarn, and it's my hook number is 3.5 millimeter. You can choose your yarn which you want, but prefer to choose not so thick yarns. Okay, this pattern will be more better with thin yarns. For this pattern, you need multiples of 14 plus 7 chains. First of all, make a slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Make one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will make your repeating 14 chains until how width you want to make your project. Okay, you will keep repeating 14 14 after at your plus chains. Yarn over, skip 1 2 3, insert into the fourth one and make pull through 2, pull through 2, double crochet. Count this chain 3, my first double. Then yarn over and make double crochet next stitch. I will make double crochet until all the stitch come to at the end. Okay, yarn over, insert into the next, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's it. I will make my doubles after turn 2. Multiples of 14 plus not 7, 5, left here 2 stitch, but it's not problem. We will cut it like that and pull that yarn and locked here. Okay, it's not problem. Now we will start our pattern. Okay, 1 2 3 4 chains and turn my work. Count as my treble. Yarn over, insert into the second one, grab my yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, make treble. Yarn over, insert into the next, grab my yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. I have 3 triples here. Chain 2, yarn over, skip 1 2 3 4 5 stitch, insert into the sixth one, grab my yarn and make here triple again. 1 2 3. Chain 1. Now we will prepare here loops. Insert my hook, that space, grab my yarn, pull through 1, insert the space, grab my yarn, pull through 1, insert here, grab my yarn, pull through 1, insert that space, grab my yarn, pull through 1, insert that space, grab my yarn, pull through 1. I will take 5 loops and my first loop here. Totally I have 6 loops. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. We close these loops. Now here I will show you 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert the first space and make single crochet. Next space, grab my yarn, pull through 1. I have totally 2 loops. Next space, 3 loops. Next space, 4 loop. Here last 5. I make here 4 loops, totally 5. Again pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3 chains. Here make single crochet. 1, next 2, next 3. This time I have 4 loops. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3. Insert into the first space, make single. 1 and 2. I have totally 3 loops. Pull through 2, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3. Insert into the space, make single. Here take a loop. I have 2 loops. Pull through all together. Yarn over. Skip here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert into the 6th one. Grab my yarn, make here triple, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert into the next 1, 2, 3. This is one set. Now again 2 chains, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert into the 6th one, grab your yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Make your treble. Then chain 1, insert into the space again and make single crochet. This is your first loop. Take here 5 loops more. Insert that space, grab your yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have totally 6 loops. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3. Insert the first space and make single. Now add here 4 more. Next space, 1, 2, 3, here last 4. Totally you have 5 loops. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3. Insert the first space, make single. 1, add here 3 more. 1, 2, 3. I have 4 loops. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. 1, 2, 3. Insert the first space, make single. 1, last one, 2. I have 3 loops. Pull through 2, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3. Insert the first space, make single. Last space, take your loop. You have 2 loops. Pull through together. Yarn over and skip 1 2 3 4 5, insert into the sixth one and make here triple, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the next one, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the last stitch, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's the repeating first row. Now we start our repeating of second row, 1 2 3 4, and turn my work, count as my first triple. Then yarn over, insert into the second one and make your triple, yarn over, insert into the third one, make your third triple, chain 1, insert into the first picot here, join with a single crochet, 1 2 3, insert into the second picot, join with a single, 1 2 3, insert into the third picot, join with a single, 1 2 3, insert into the fourth picot, join with a single, 1 2 or 3 chains. If it comes to so tight, you need 3 or 4 chains, but I think I will make 3 chains, yarn over, and make my triples, 1 2 3, again chain 1 1 2 3, next picot, single crochet, 1 2 3, next picot, single crochet, 1 2 3, last picot, single crochet, 1 2 3, and make your triples. That's it pattern, 1 2 3 4, and turn your work. Now yarn over, insert into the second one and make your triple, insert into the third one, make your triple, the same as chain 2, yarn over, skip first picot, insert into the second one, grab your yarn and make your triple, and do the same thing, chain 1 and join with a single crochet, then make here 5 more loops, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Totally I have 6 loops, pull through 2, 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 1 2 3, first space, join with a single crochet, 1 2 3 and 4. I have totally 5, 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 chains, insert into the first space, make my single crochet, 1 2 3, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, 1 2 3, insert into the first space, join with a single crochet, 1 and 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, 1 2 3, insert into the first, join with a single and take a loop. I have 2 loops, pull through, yarn over, make my 3 triples, 1 2 3, again chain 2, yarn over, skip the first picot, insert into the second one and make my triple, and do the same thing here, chain 1, make single crochet and add here 5 loops more, 1 2 3 4 5, totally I have 6 loops, pull through 2, 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 1 2 3, insert into the first space, join with a single. This time we will pick up 4 loops, 1 2 3 and 4. I have 5 loops. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 3, insert into the first space, join with a single, pick up 3 loops, 1 2 3. I will make it more faster because I show it more times. I have totally 4 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, 1 2 3, make single, take the one, take the second one, pull through 2, pull through 2, 1 2 3, make single, take here a loop. I have 2 loops and closed, yarn over and make my triples, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 3 steps we close our triples, 1 2 3 4 chains, and turn my way work, do the same thing, make your triples here, chain 1, insert the first picot, join with a single, 1 2 3, insert the second picot, join with a single, 1 2 3, insert the third picot, join with a single, 1 2 3, insert the fourth picot, join with a single, 1 2 3, and make your triples. You will always repeat the second and the third round row which length you want. Okay, I will keep crocheting and I will turn to you how you can close your pattern. I will complete after turn. When you crochet your pattern enough times, you can finish your work like that, chain 3 and turn your work. I complete this end of the second repeating rows. Okay, count as my first double, insert the second one, make one more double, next one more double. You know this one set have 14 stitch, so in this space I will make here 4 double, 1 2 3 and 4, 5 in the stitch, 6 in the space, 7 stitch, 8 space, 9 stitch, 10 space, 11 stitch, here 3 double, 12, 13 and 14. We complete the one set. Here again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. You will finish your pattern like that. I hope you like it and you will try that. Only 2 rows repeating and so different and elegant model. I hope you like it and you will try. As soon as possible I will write this written pattern in my Etsy shop. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.